Hello friends, today we are going to take a tour of our Infinite Balcony Stateroom on board the Star of the Seas. Now we were on deck 10 for our sailing in stateroom 10176, so let's go take a peek. So here in the Infinite Balcony Stateroom, we currently have the bed in the king configuration, and we are going to ask our stateroom host to separate this into two twin bed options, just so that we can see what that's gonna look like. Now the Infinite Balcony Stateroom, she is quite amazing. We have a seating area and couch here, and this can turn into additional bedding where we can have a third person staying in the same room. Now this feature right here is what makes the room so unique and a bit controversial. We do not have a traditional outdoor balcony with a sliding door, but everything is included in this one space. So we have some seating and what feels almost like a sunroom with the cabin instead of a traditional balcony, but we do have this gorgeous view from top to bottom. Now, one of the nice things that we love over here is that there's this great shade that we can have some blackout space too. So then we can also have that go back up. Now, one of the really great things about this is you get this sunroom type experience, but we still do get the outdoor feel of a veranda. So right over here are your controls. We're gonna press this down, and that is going to open up the window all the way down. So you can open it up partial, you can have it open up to just about any that you want, and then it's going to open up straight like a balcony stateroom, and then we have that gorgeous breeze. Now, one of the things that we're super curious about this week as we're doing this, and of course it's not separated from our room because our room is right now just open air, the whole thing. I actually find this to be a pro so far, where you have that beautiful ocean breeze coming in. So we're super excited to see how that works here. Love the couch. We have a great vanity space, plenty of drawers. See right down here, there is where that mini fridge is going to be for us. And again, plenty of drawer space, hair dryer as well. Plenty of drawer space. Hair dryer as well. And of course, they still have paper programs, everything that is going on the sailing. And then we have this gorgeous bed. Here on the Star, you do have USB, which is amazing. So I'm really excited to see that. Have the same on this side of the bed as well. And then over by the vanity area, it looks like we have USB-C and USB and the great plug situation there. So that is fantastic. Great mirror, yay, hello. So we're gonna go on over here. There's our TV. Then of course, right here on the other side of the bed is where you're gonna find great closet space. Not only do you have that deep closet, but here on the other side, you're gonna have a nice hanging closet as well. For some reason on this ship, and I know it's just the same on the Icon, you have these wire basket thingies, like, yeah. I don't know about that situation. We'll have to see how that's gonna go. But this stateroom is a fantastic size. We're loving that open veranda situation so far. Again, you have another full-length mirror. I know you guys wanna see me again. And of course, right when you're going into your stateroom, you are gonna have the bathroom. Now this does not have a split bathroom concept. Everything is in one bathroom. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're looking here. But great shelving. Also a really great size shower area. And since there is such great shelving, and even they make use of all the space. Like, that's amazing. I love that. How cool. So you do still have some great sink space and vanity space. More shelving along here. They did a really great job of optimizing everything that they could within the bathroom, because that can be a tight space on a cruise ship. Love that in the shower, there's a seat. I will take that any day. That is awesome. In this space, so far, it's a winner. Right now, we have the window open, so we have the sunroom concept. And then we have the window open, and then we are able to look right here at Port Canaveral, say hi to some of our ship friends, and it is perfect. We have some more great videos from our time on Star of the Seas, including our boarding day and ship tour, and even a special dining experience at Lincoln Park Supper Club. And we'll link those below if you would like to explore. She is an amazing ship. Let us know in the comments if you would like to stay in this type of stateroom for your next sailing. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.